took a break from this car for a little while and decided to start working on it again. The brakes don't work. The master cylinder is bad and the power booster is bad on the brakes, so that's what I'm doing now. I got it torn apart down there. I got the bad stuff pulled out. I'm about to put the new stuff in. I just wanted to show y'all how to do that. It's pretty simple. It's just a couple bolts and a couple brake lines. Pretty easy. Already got all this like loosened up, but to get to where this is where the brake booster pump master cylinder go. Putting a new brake booster and master cylinder in. It's pretty easy. You just gotta line up holes right here. That's it for this part. On the inside you got two bolts you gotta tighten down, and then the lines up here, which we'll get to in a minute. So when you install it, in here you got two 13mm nuts to screw onto the master cylinder or the power booster. So you get them on hand tight and come back with your wrench. Just tighten them down. So if you get those two tied down, you got this pin. This goes on your pedal. You got a hole back here. So once you get the pin in, next you got this clip here. It just slides on here. Slides on it to hold the pin onto the pedal from the booster pump. And once you get all that on, all you got left to do is install this trim piece. All it is 5 screws that hold it in. It's pretty easy. I popped it in. Now you got screw there, back there, here, and that's here. That's it. 5 screws, and the side piece just slides on back over it. Alright, hooking up your brake lines. You need a 12mm and 11mm. 12mm for this bigger one. And you can use a 5/8 or equivalent millimeter wrench. After that, you just gotta hook up your vacuum hose back. This pops right back in there. Make sure your grommets are all good. Pop this in, your vacuum hose, and that's it. Top it up with fluid, pump the brakes, bleed the brakes up here. So when you're bleeding your master cylinder, put new fluid in, you're gonna crack these 2 lines, pour new fluid in, have someone pump the Brake pedal a few times until you see fresh oil coming out, and then you know your master cylinder is bled in. And then once that's connect your lines up, and then you gotta bleed out at the calipers too, because you get air in these lines.